So what have I got for you today on the 18th of July? Well, EA are having to settle in a court case for a rather hefty chunk of change. Basically, to give you the lowdown, it was filed over players having the ability to create characters based on and named after real-world competitors. And the lawsuit basically said this was unauthorised use of identity as players, and you could draw upon real statistics of the real people such as height, weight, athletes, and much, much more. And well, a judge has approved a settlement of a hefty $60 million, which has been offered by EA and the NCAA over unauthorised use of likenesses in NCAA titles. And we've got a little bit of a statement here from the plaintiff's attorney, Steve Berman, who had this to say regarding the fact that, well, they won. Quote, "We are pleased with the decision from Judge Wilkin to approve the $60 million combined settlement that will be distributed to hundreds of student athletes. This landmark decision marks the first time that student athletes will be paid for their likeness or image, and serves a huge victory in the ongoing fight for student athletes' rights." And basically the suit went on to say that using players' name, picture, likeness or anything else violated contracts and licensing agreements noted in NCAA bylaws. And, well, that brings a long saga to a close, as it's been going on for about 6 years. As back in 2009, the Nebraska football student athlete Sam Keller filed a lawsuit, which basically objected to the use of his likeness as well as some of his former and current student athletes as in-game avatars. And the suit also objected to the use of their pictures as well as promotions, and was then kind of smushed together with separate cases filed by former UCLA basketball student athlete Ed O'Bannon, as well as a former Cincinnati basketball student athlete Oscar Robertson. And of course the whole suit was kind of expanded to include a lovely family of very disgruntled people who have now going to be getting themselves a very nice settlement indeed. How much of that they get to keep after the lawyers' fees of something that's been dragging on for 6 years, well, that's probably something that's up for debate by someone who actually knows US law. But still, it has come to a close, and EA and the NCAA are going to have to pour out quite a bit of cash from their pockets. Yes, EA are very, very rich, but even for them, $60 million is hardly chump change, and the fact they have to split it with the NCAA is a small bonus for them, but it's still going to hurt just a smidge, I think. Anyway guys, thank you for watching. I'll see you next time.